Expressing likes. Using like and love to express preferences. Welcome to our English language learning video on expressing likes. In this video, we will focus on how to use the words like and love to express your preferences in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently talk about the things you enjoy and express your likes in English conversation. So, let's get started. When we want to express our preferences in English, we often use the word like. Like is a versatile verb that allows us to talk about the things we enjoy or have a positive opinion about. Here are a few examples. I like watching movies. She likes playing basketball. We like eating pizza. In these sentences, like is used to express a general preference for a particular activity or thing. Remember, when using like, we don't specify the intensity of our preference. Sometimes, we want to emphasize our preferences and express strong affection or enthusiasm for something. That's when we use the word love. Love indicates a stronger liking or passion for a specific activity or thing. Let's look at some examples. They love traveling to new places. He loves playing the guitar. She loves eating chocolate. In these sentences, love conveys a higher level of enjoyment or admiration. It shows that the person has a deep affection or enthusiasm for the activity or thing they are talking about. Apart from using like and love, we can also express our preferences using other verbs. Here are a few commonly used verbs to express likes. Enjoy. I enjoy reading books. Adore. They adore watching romantic movies. Fancy. She fancies going for a walk. Prefer. We prefer listening to rock music. These verbs can help you diversify your expressions and add more variety to your conversations. Feel free to explore and use different verbs that resonate with your personal preferences. Now, let's see how we can talk about our likes in different tenses. We often use different verb forms depending on whether we are discussing our likes in the present, past, or future. Let's take a look. Present tense. I like swimming. Past tense. She loved playing the piano. Future tense. They will enjoy attending the concert. Using the appropriate verb forms will help you accurately convey when you liked or will like something, enabling smoother communication in English. Congratulations! You've learned how to express your likes and preferences in English using like and love. Remember, like is used for general preferences, while love expresses a stronger liking or passion. Additionally, you can use other verbs like enjoy, adore, fancy, and prefer to diversify your expressions. Practice incorporating these words into your conversations, and soon you'll be able to confidently talk about the things you like in English. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in improving your conversational English skills. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.